So, Gemman 561. I want to bring up somebody's attention to this. Animal Planet has gone scary. Look at this. This is their lineup for today. Monsters Inside Me. Monsters Inside Me. I Shouldn't Be Alive. I Shouldn't Be Alive. It's two of them. Fatal Attraction. The Haunted. The Haunted is on Animal Planet. I Shouldn't Be Alive. Okay, Fatal Attractions. The Haunted. I Shouldn't Be Alive. I Shouldn't Be Alive. Fatal Attractions. The Haunted again. Orangutan Island. Okay. This is at like 5:30 in the morning. Yay. At like 6 o'clock there's Animal's Funniest Planet. I said that wrong. The planet's funniest animals. Stars. A dog on me. Okay. But y'all seen that, right? That was the lineup for Sunday. Sunday? Seriously? What the hell? Okay, peace out, y'all.